Yeah, Rashmi, could you please introduce about yourself?
Uh, Yeah, hi, myself Rashmi Kumar. I'm from Hyderabad. I'm having 5 years of experience into manual and automation testing. I have worked for 3 projects in my duration. Present, I'm on bench and I'm giving some mock interviews and searching for new jobs.
Okay.
Yeah,
Uh, Good to hear, Rashmi. Could you please tell me which type of projects you have handled till now?
I have uh, like I have into banking projects and
Mhm.
insurance projects and
Mhm.
health project and
Okay.
e-commerce project.
Okay. So
Yeah.
in the banking projects, how did you verify the banking applications? How many modules you have? Could you please explain more about your project?
Okay. Okay. Here I have worked on national online banking project. The project is involved in testing a secure online banking platforms where
Mhm.
users can here we use retail and corporate customers in Switzerland. This is a Switzerland project.
Mhm.
The application allowed the customers to manage accounts, transfer and funds like for
Mhm.
domestic and both international,
Mhm.
paying the bills and managing the cards, applying for loans, and
Okay.
viewing their investment portfolios.
Okay. How
Yeah,
many?
we have totally 8 modules in this.
Okay.
Yeah.
So could you please tell me about the modules?
Yeah, it is user authentication and security module, account management module, and then fund transfer module, and then
Mhm.
bill payment module, a card management module,
Mhm.
loan and mortgage module, and then
Mhm.
investment and portfolio module,
Acha.
admin and compile module. Yeah.
Okay, you are handling these 8 modules?
No, not all of them. I'll be only handling few of them like user authentication and security, and account management, fund transfer,
Okay, how many team
like this.
members are there, Rashmi?
We are of 5 members.
5 members. Could you please tell me about that? Only five
Yeah.
members are the QA?
No, in our team actually for this project.
Okay, cool. What is the difference between smoke testing and sanitary testing?
Uh, Smoke testing is something whenever we get a new build from the developer. As a
Mhm.
tester, we do basic test on the application.
Mhm.
Here we are going to like check the installation process whether it is installing correctly or not. And
Mhm.
here we also check all the critical functionalities and major functionalities whether it is
Mhm.
working fine or not. Where in sanity testing, here we are going to check the defect fixed thoroughly, and
Mhm.
here we are also going to check whether the build is stable or not.
What are the challenges you are facing while you are doing the smoke testing and sanitary testing?
Whether we are able to properly install or not.
Mhm.
Whenever we get the new build, whether we are able to like install the new build or not. And then after the installation, after the installation, we'll be checking whether it is stable or not. These challenges would be facing in smoke and sanity.
Okay, what is the differences between integration testing and formal testing?
Integration is something um, like if there are like two what we say, um, like integrating two modules,
Mhm.
that is called as integration testing. What we to like elaborate, there are like in integration there are incremental and non-incremental.
Mhm.
um, in And then again in incremental there are like top down and bottom up.
Mhm.
And here and then again in non-incremental, we'll be checking whenever the workflow is very complex, non-incremental testing has been done.
Okay. So
And the
what
next
is
one
it?
is non-functional.
Sorry?
Yeah. You have I answered the correct, or like, is there anything missing? Integration?
Yeah, integration, most of time, whatever the integrated modules are there, right? So we are doing the integration
Yes, yes,
testing for the integrated module, right?
yes, yes,
Yeah. Second
yes.
question is,
Like functional testing.
okay, what is the meaning of functional
Yeah.
testing?
Uh, it is a type of testing which verifies a system or an application working according to the specific requirements or not
Okay, so where did you write the test cases, Reshmi?
in Excel sheet.
So could you please tell me the template of the Excel?
Um, Test case ID, and then
Mm-hmm.
test description,
Mm-hmm.
test scenario,
Mm-hmm.
and then step by step, expected,
Mm-hmm.
and actual.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Step by step mean what is the meaning of step by step?
Like will be in an user in an epic, in a
Mm-hmm.
module or something. We'll be having user stories. So each and
Mm-hmm.
every field will be mentioning there like by step. If there is
Okay.
any login page,
Test
if there are
steps,
like
right? The field name is test
yes, yes,
steps. Okay.
yes, yes,
And test
yeah,
data, did you people have mentioned the user or not? Test data.
yes, we use,
Okay.
yes, we
Cool.
use.
So what is the difference between bug and defect?
Bug is something in an application if there is some
Okay, tell me what is the meaning of the bug and how you are raising the bug? Which tool you are raising the bug?
in Jira, we'll
Yeah,
be
tell
raising
me.
it in Jira.
Okay, so what is the bug
So,
and how you confirm? Take one example.
so if there is any if the user field or if the user field is not working properly,
Mhm,
so we'll be raising a bug.
mhm,
Um, so we'll be creating a new bug, uh, and then the developer can accept it or reject it because of in two ways, because if it is already raised by some other person, he'll be deferring it.
mhm,
If if the developer will be changing it in the next coming up in the next build,
mhm.
in that scenario also he can defer the bug, and then if he's accepting, he'll be fixing it, and then after fixing the bug, we'll be retesting it. Once the bug is fixed, we'll be retesting it. If everything is fine, we'll close it.
In
We'll close the
Jira,
bug.
how you are raising the bug? While you are raising bug, what are the contents you need to maintain?
uh, like contents
Like what are the fields? What are the requirement? Like how you are raising the bug in the Jira?
um,
Is there one steps, right? One flow is there while raising the bug. We need to maintain
yes, yes,
subject
yes.
line.
Mm,
How you are raising? As a tester, we need to raise the bug, right? How we are raising the bug?
yes, yes. Let's see.
So we are maintaining the subject line and the reproduce steps, expected result, actual
Mm,
result, tested data,
yes,
test
yes, yes,
screenshot. Are you
yes,
okay?
yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Um,
Okay. Cool. So how many environments you people are using, Reshmi?
Local environment, dev environment, testing environment,
Mhm.
um, and then UAT environment.
Okay. So we are getting issue in the UAT environment, but we are not
Mm-hmm.
getting issue in the QA environment. What is the main problem and how you are overcome? So you are
It is an
using
environmental
low,
change.
sorry, maybe.
It can be an environment change. Like some build might be working in dev environment.
Mhm.
When we're installing in the QA environment, there'll be some issues sometime.
Okay. Okay. So for example, you are finding out one defect, Rashmi. Okay.
Okay,
The developer was not accepted your defect. So at that
okay.
time, what your root cause and how you are going to do the process?
If the developer is not accepting it,
Yes.
um, first what I would be doing is like I'll be verifying and getting more clarity on it. First, I would be doing like reproducing the issue again and then record a clear steps. I'll be reproducing the clear steps like screenshots,
Again,
logs.
developer also will not accept your defect. So at that time, how you are confirm? With whom to confirm?
I'll be confirming with BA,
BM.
business analyst.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, cool. So,
Yeah.
what is the user story? What the user story is containing?
Like you're asking like what user
Yeah.
story contains, and it
Yes.
contains like fields and all.
Tell me in
Uh,
brief.
like
The user story is containing the acceptance criteria, right?
yes, yes, yes,
The user story is mapping to the epic, right?
yes, yes. It will be
The
mapping
user
to the
story
epic.
is connected with the sprint as well, right?
Yes, yes. It will be
And
yes.
each user story is having the Figma. What is the meaning of Figma? Who will work on it?
UI and UX developers.
Yeah.
Figma is an like pictorial what we say. It will be presented in graphical form.
Okay.
Um, UI and UX developers will develop it and will be giving it. By
Okay.
that, we'll be preparing the test case by seeing it in the early
Okay.
stage.
Okay, Rishmi. So which
Yeah,
methodology you people are following?
like agile methodology.
So could you please tell me how many ceremonies are having in the Agile methodology?
Um, yes, in agile we'll be having PO
Mhm. I'm
and then
asking ceremonies. I'm asking about the meetings. How many meetings are available in Agile?
in agile we'll be having what we say,
Daily
uh,
stand-up call.
stand-up call, retrospective meeting, and
Mhm.
then um, Scrum Master. We
Sprint
having another
planning.
sprint. Sorry, success sprint. Sprint success meet.
Okay. So what exactly
Uh,
happening in the retrospective meeting?
in the retrospective meeting, we'll be will once the sprint is completed, we'll be having the retrospective meeting after every sprint.
Mhm.
There we'll be discussing like uh, what to be like to uh, what we say for the next build, what to be improved and all. We'll be discussing there.
Okay. So what are the drawback of Agile methodology?
Drawbacks are
It is expensive, right?
yes, yes, it's like expenses.
Yeah. Uh, did you know about that backend testing, database testing?
SQL, yes.
Yeah. Could you please tell me what is the difference between the DDL, DML, and DTL?
Mm, mm, Not sure.
So why you are using the database, Rashmi Kumar?
Like for uh, like for storing the data,
Mm-hmm.
for securing the data,
Mm-hmm.
like the if you're using any application to store
When
the
you
data
are
of the application.
when you are using the database testing, tell in clear.
Uh, okay, like when if we wanted to like um, what we say storing their customer data and all.
Take one example and tell me in brief.
So if you are using any e-commerce application or something, so
Mm-hmm.
there will be storing the customer data. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
so what the purchase has been done.
Mm-hmm.
So all these things will be storing in the database.
Mm-hmm.
So if you need any like if you want any like two rows or something, we'll go to the database and we'll be fetching the data from there and we'll be developing it
How
in the next build.
which query you are using for the fetching the details?
For table, select
Which
star
query?
table.
Tell me the syntax for the select query.
Select star table name. Select star table name. We'll be selecting the table data.
Okay. So condition where condition? right?
Yes.
Select a star from table and
Yes.
where condition.
Yes. Yes.
So could you please tell me what is the syntax for update and delete?
Uh, Select star. Uh, uh, like where table name is
No,
equal
no,
to.
I'm asking
Uh,
differences between update and delete query.
okay. Update is something when we are updating it. Deleting is something the whole table will be deleted.
Yes, you're correct. Tell
Um,
me the syntax.
uh, Select star where
No,
table. No,
are you
sorry,
sure?
not sure.
Okay, could you please tell me top three orders query? How we can fetch the
Mm,
top three records or top
okay.
three salary employees? Anyone example. Do you know or you need some time?
I need some time. I'm not that sure.
Okay,
Honestly.
okay, cool. So do you have any experience with the mobile testing, Rashmi?
Yes, I have done mobile testing for one application. Yes.
Tell me how you perform the mobile application testing.
Like we'll be verifying the like whether the for any mobile we'll be using iOS and like Android. For
Mhm,
iOS we'll be checking whether the application is been installed in the like App Store and all.
mhm,
Whether we are able to download it or we are able to use in like will if there is like iOS 15, 16, 17,
mhm,
whether the like application is working in all the versions or not. And again, if you are getting to the Android, we'll be checking like if, in Samsung there are many what we say many models there. So we'll be testing in every mobiles and we'll be
So
checking whether it is working or not.
what is the latest Android version
Latest
and iOS, iPhone Android version, Android iPhone version?
iPhone iOS 17.
Are you sure?
Actually, the
No,
phone name is there,
I
but
think
that's
how you are checking? You are checking physically or virtually?
they'll be checking physically.
Physically. So I think you are getting APK from the developers, right?
Mm, yes, yes.
So what is the difference between the installation testing and installation testing, Rashmi?
Mm, Installation testing is something like whether we are able to install it by using the given APA by the
Mhm,
developer.
mhm,
So with that APK file, we should be able to install the application in given mobile. Like if there is any Android, we will do that.
mhm.
But in Android, we'll be having APK, but in iOS will not be having APK files because in Apple we
So
can't download APK files. Yes,
what are the major challenges you are facing while you are doing the physical mobile testing?
like installing it
Mhm,
um, if there is any login problems, all these
mhm.
things will be having.
Only installing and logging.
No. So in some situations like payment in payment gateway methods, they'll be having some issues there.
So what are the payment gateway
Uh,
methods we have?
so we'll be having banking, uh,
Mhm.
internet banking,
Okay,
and then
okay.
UPI payments, and then
Mhm,
card payments.
mhm.
Yeah, this credit
What is the difference
or
between the
cash on
way?
delivery.
Okay, cool. So where we are
Yes.
using the simulator and emulator in the mobile testing?
Simulator testing in like we'll be having a like simulator in like when we are using it in the system, we'll be having simulator. So by
Mhm,
that we'll be testing the like not physically.
mhm.
We'll not be having the mobile physically. So in that time we'll be testing it in simulators.
What about the emulators?
Simulators, I'm not sure. I'm
Okay,
not
so
sure
what is
about it.
the latest version you verified in the physical device?
Like in Android, like in Samsung, I have like used this more
So which
so
application you are used?
like APK files will be using in for Android.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Uh, so do you know browser stack tool? Why we are using?
Yes, yes. I have used it, but
Okay, cool.
I'm not.
So like, do you know about that? Like, API testing?
Yes, yes. I know about it.
Tell me how many HTTP methods you are used?
Sorry,
How,
STP.
HTTP methods you are used?
Like in Swagger or Postman.
In the API
STP.
testing, you are using two tools, right?
Yes, yes,
Swagger and
yes,
Postman.
yes,
So how many
yes,
methods you
yes.
are used?
Uh, Methods.
How many requests you are used?
Like HTTP, like
Post to put.
URLs and yes, post method, put method, get method, delete
How you are
method.
using the post?
For what? Post is for like if you want to like make any changes and test in our Postman or Swagger, we'll be using post method.
Why we are
Get method
using
is
two
something.
tools, Swagger and Postman? Why we are using? Why not only we
Swagger
are
is used
using the
for only
Swagger?
doc. Swagger is only for documentation, but
Okay,
whereas Postman used for testing the API.
okay.
Yeah.
So like how you are run the multiple APIs in the Swagger?
In Swagger, we can run multiple APIs, but not at a time.
Mhm.
We can run one by one, but not at a time. Whereas in Postman, we can do that.
Okay, so like what is the difference between the barrier token and API key?
Uh, Barrier token. Barrier token is something. Mm, like in key, we'll be having header and name. Where in barrier token, mm, API key and barrier token. In barrier token, we'll be having required tokens. Will be having.
Mhm.
Where in API key, we'll be having API key and API key value.
Okay, so when we are getting the 409 and 415, Rashmi,
For not
9 and 415.
415 is something unsupported media type.
Mhm. When we are getting,
Like if the file or something like HTML or Java, if you are
Mhm.
not the formats we use here JSON format.
Mhm.
If you are using some other formats like HTML or Java or XML,
Mhm.
there will be getting unsupported media types.
Okay, so like do we have access to upload a image in the Postman?
Image, yes, yes, we have.
How we are upload?
We can upload in PNG format, uh, JPG format.
How we are creating in Postman? I think do you have the Postman in your laptop? Share your screen.
Yes, yes, I have. Controllers. Mm,
Share your screen.
I'll send you the request. I'll send you the request, but not able to.
Yeah, I'm accepted.
Yeah.
Yeah. And meanwhile, could you please tell me like what are the OOPS concepts we have?
Mm, Oops.
Okay, okay. First we will complete with the Postman, then we
Yeah.
will go to the automation.
Mm,
Okay. Uh, so what is the different? What is the meaning of the query parameter and path parameter in this URL, Rashmi? Could you please go to the URL? Yeah. In that, what is the meaning of the query parameter and path parameter?
This is the query parameter,
What is that?
and this is from V2. It is a path parameter.
Sorry, could you please show to me? V2 up to status. What is that? Query or path?
This is path parameter
And about after the question mark?
till status. Sorry.
Yeah, status is called available. What is that? Query or path?
This is also path.
Where we have the query parameter?
This one,
Up to
Swagger, swagger.io.
what is the meaning of URL? Where we have the URL?
Sorry, where we have URLs.
Yes.
In Swagger, from Swagger we'll be getting the URLs
Okay. So
or any
eh,
or
CC
in
here
yeah.
https petstore.swagger.io. That is the URL.
Yes, yes,
Slash
yes, yes.
v2 slash pet find by status. That is the path parameter. Okay. After the
Okay.
question mark, we have the query parameter. Please remember this all these things.
Okay, this is
Okay. Could you please go to scroll, come out? So what is the request body and response body?
this is the request body,
Okay, why we are using this body?
and like for here we'll be running the like to run this what we say post method or get method. Post methods will be running it here, and the
Mhm.
response body will be getting it here.
Okay,
Here,
what is the meaning of collection here?
collection is something where we store all this. It will be storing all these uh, new requests and get method and post method. All this will be storing in collections.
Okay. Collection is having multiple APIs. You should like that. Okay. Collection is having the multiple
Yeah,
APIs. So could you please run any API?
mm,
So in the right side, you have into mark, right? Could you please close that into mark? Right side, yes. Go right. Go right. Above, yes. Yeah. Yeah.
okay.
Tell me, what you are validating in the response body? Where we have the response body?
This is the response body.
Tell me what you are validate here.
Here we'll be checking the this like 200 or
Status.
status code, and then
Okay.
again we'll be checking the response time, and then again size of
So
the response size.
how much response time you are expecting as per the client requirement?
Like it should be like
3 seconds or
within
five
one
seconds?
below like less
Okay.
than 3 seconds.
Okay. How you are sending this response to your team member?
We can share it. We can share. We can
Okay.
select the URL, and we will be sharing it from here.
Uh,
We'll copy the link and we'll be sharing it.
So do we have access? We can we share the response here?
Not to everyone. We
Okay.
can't share it to everyone. Uh, who will be having the access?
Okay.
Only to them will be sharing.
Go to authentication. Here we have the authentication here. Authorization. In the
Yes,
request
yes,
bar only we have authorization, right? Could you
yes,
please
yes,
open? Yeah.
yes,
Could you please open the scroll one? Tell me how it will be work.
yes.
How many you know? Please tell me how they are work.
Okay. API key.
Okay.
We'll be using API key, and
Mm-hmm.
then auth one and one 1.1.0 and 2.0 barrier token basic auth.
How they
Basic
are
auth is
work?
something. Basic auth is something like for login and authentication, like login username and password.
Mm-hmm.
For that, we'll be having basic auth. For
Mhm.
token, we'll be having a token request.
Mhm.
So with that, will be
So what is the variable
um,
declaration, Rashmi Kumar? What is the variable declaration?
variable declarations.
So what is the try it out? What is the try it out and where we can use the try it out? What is the API?
In the Swagger.
Okay, good. Do you know any experience with the JMeter?
JMeter, I have heard about it.
So could you please tell me how many types of performance testing types are there?
Performance.
Okay, cool. So how many types of locators we have, Rashmi Kumar?
Mm, Locators.
Could you please open the notepad?
Yes.
How many
Okay.
types of notepad? How many types of locators we have? Do you know or not?
No, sorry.
So what is the meaning of WebDriver and what exactly WebDriver is doing? I think you in
Like
the before
we'll
the
be
session,
using,
in the starting, you were telling you have experience in automation. May I know how many years of
yes,
experience
yes,
you have?
4 years.
Four
Like we'll be
years.
using it in Selenium and all this.
Okay, Selenium and with Java with C Sharp.
Java.
Okay, so what is meaning of Java?
Like it is a C language
Mhm.
where we use it. Like it's a code.
Okay, what is the meaning of the difference between the class and object?
Class is something we'll be creating it in the Selenium, like Eclipse. Once we will be creating the package, and then we'll be creating a class,
Mhm.
uh, and then we'll be writing the like we'll be writing the conditions over there, like like whichever the code is required, we'll be writing in the class, and we'll be running it.
What is how many types of variables we have?
Mm, and variable.
How many types of data types we have?
Mm,
So which framework you people are used in your company? Which framework? TestNG or POM?
Test engine and
Tell
POM also
me,
will be using both.
could you please anyone structure how you are creating the package, project, class?
Yeah, should I show it in the Eclipse?
No, you can tell the structure.
So first we'll be creating a package, and
Mm-hmm.
then in package we'll be creating a class.
Mm-hmm.
In class we'll be selecting, if required, we'll be selecting static void new. We'll
Mm-hmm.
be putting it as a tick. We'll be selecting the checkbox, and we'll be uh, creating a class, and then we'll be writing the like code there, like webdriver dot driver dot like if you want to log into a login page, we'll be writing there the send keys and all. With the send keys, we'll be copying the user ID,
What is the syndicate?
and
What we call the syndicate? It is a class or it is a method?
it is a class.
What
Send
is
keys.
the get? Okay, cool. So how you are handling the alerts? Is there any syntax?
Mm, yes, we have.
Could you please write here?
Mm,
How you
okay.
are handling the mouse actions? Please stop the screen sharing,
With
Rashmi.
the alerts. Mm,
Yeah, tell me.
okay.
How many types
Uh,
of annotations we have in the TestNG, Rashmi Kumar?
mm, I'm not sure right now.
Okay, cool. So as my point of view, I will share some few words about your profile. Okay. Is it
Okay.
okay?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So whatever the session is going, everything is going good. So here we need to cover
Okay.
some part, like in the manual part. I think you are good. So you are covering you are telling the all the answers. I think we have the you have the good
Okay.
experience, right? So the interview is
Yeah.
expecting some more tips from your side, some more knowledge from your side. So in the in the manual parts you are good. In the database part, every interview should ask DTL, DML, DCL, data manipulation language, data control, data definition language. In that, we have some queries are there: select, update, delete. So each and every syntax the interviewer is expecting, Rashmi Kumar, you should learn. Okay, you should
Okay.
one more time
Okay.
you can have the experience. One more time you can brush up the things. And next thing is that mobile
Okay.
testing. So if you are using the mobile testing, what is the latest version? While the mobile testing challenges, as a tester, what are the challenges we are facing with using of the physical mobile and virtual mobile? For the virtual mobile flow also you should know about that. And next thing is that API testing.
Okay.
In the API testing also, you should learn how if we are creating all APIs like Postman, Port, Delete. Here also we are calling
Mm.
APIs and we are calling endpoints. We are calling HTTP requests. Okay, these all are same
Yes.
names. These all are doing same work. Okay, so how we are
Okay. Yeah.
creating, how they are working. One more time, you can look into that. And coming to
Yeah,
that
sure.
automation, in the automation also, first thing, OOPS concept you should know, you should brush up the thing. And after the OOPS concept,
Okay.
you should know about how the locators are working and what is the difference between the class, method, object, and all these things. You should learn, like you should grow up, brush up one more time. And next thing is the structure of the
Okay.
frameworks. POM framework, how it will be working, and test engine, how it will be working. Okay, you can one more time you can brush up
Okay.
all these things. One more time I will take if you are okay, and I will take one more round of interview. It will be
Okay.
helpful to you for the next job, next interview. Okay, so
Okay.
that I think
Sure.
you have a 5 years of experience. You people are doing work in your company. That is okay. But interviewer nowadays the AI is came, right. So little bit know about the how
Yes.
the AI is working, how the AI is impacting on
Okay.
the QA. This thing also you should learn. Okay, you should brush up
Sure.
this all
Sure.
these things. And really today
Okay.
I'm happy with that. But these areas you should
Yeah.
cover. Definitely you will get good package, Rashmi Kumar.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Okay. In the project explanation also, while you are telling the project, first you can tell the project name. For example, e-commerce project name. In the e-commerce project, how
Yes.
many modules are there? Like in the e-commerce having the 10 modules. Out of 10,
Yeah.
how many modules you are handling? 5 modules. In the 5 modules, how many types of testings you are using? How many testing tools you are using? That thing also you should mention. And what is the function of that
Okay.
entire module? What is the scope? So you tell like that. You can
Okay.
maintain that frame in the interview. At the time in the interview
Okay.
also should aware about your profile, like how you are doing and what you are each and everything you can maintain like a step by step. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Or you
Sure.
want to share anything, Rashmi Kumar?
Yeah, and I need to like improve in automation and API
Yes,
use.
everybody. Okay, no problem. Definitely I will catch up you soon. Okay. Thank you so
Sure, sure.
much. Yeah, please prepare
Thank you.
everything.
Thank you,
Yeah,
sir.
thank you.